Hello everyone, this is Mohan Parwale. In my previous session, I have discussed use of indefinite article a or an. Today, I am here to discuss use of definite article the. As I told you, definite article the points out the particular person or thing. Here, definite article the is used before a particular person or thing which is already mentioned. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. The book you want is out of print. Look at the example here. The book you want is out of print. Here, the book. Here, I am speaking about the particular book. So, I have used definite article the to point out the particular book which is mentioned here. The book you want is out of print. To understand this, let me write one more example. The boy in the class is naughty. Look at the example here. The boy in the class is naughty. Here, look at the word the boy. Here, I have used definite article the to point out the particular boy here. I am speaking about the particular boy who is naughty in the class. So, I have used definite article the here. Let me write one more example. I dislike the fellow. Look at the example here. I dislike the fellow. Look at the word the fellow here. Here I have used definite article the to point out the particular person whom I hate or whom I dislike. So I have used definite article here. I am speaking about the particular person whom I dislike. So I have used definite article the. I hope you have understood this. Here, definite article the is also used before a singular noun or an adjective of quality. An adjective of quality which represents whole class. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. The lion is the king of the jungle. Look at the example here. The lion is the king of the jungle. Here, look at the word the lion. Here, before the word lion, I have used definite article the here. Here, the lion represents whole class of lions here. So, I have used definite article the before lion here. Let me write one more example. The rich are not always happy. Look at the adjective rich here. Here, adjective of quality it is, and here before this adjective of quality, I have used definite article the. Here, the rich represents whole class of rich persons here. They are not always happy. It tells that they are not always happy. I hope you have understood this concept. Here, the definite article the is also used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, group of islands and gulfs. Before the names of rivers, oceans, seas, group of islands, mountain ranges and gulfs. Before the names of these, we use definite article the. Let me write some examples here. The Indian Ocean, the Kaveri, Here, look at here. Before the name of the ocean, I have used definite article the. And here, before the name of the river Kaveri, I have used definite article the. Let me write some examples here. The Himalayas are the highest peak. The Himalayas are the highest peak. Here, Himalayas is the name of the mountain range. Before this mountain range, I have used definite article the here. The Himalayas are the highest peak. Here, highest is superlative, so I have used the with the superlative highest. Let me write one more example. The Nile is the largest river. Look at the example here. The Nile. Here, Nile is name of the river. Before the name of the river, I have used definite article the here. The Nile is the largest river. Here, largest is superlative. So, with the superlative, I have used definite article the. Here, definite article the is also used with the names of some certain books. Before the names of certain books. Especially, we use definite article the before the names of certain holy books or sacred books. Let me write some examples here. The Ramayana, or the Bible, or the Quran, etc. Let me write an example here. The Ramayana was written by Valmiki. The Ramayana was written by Valmiki. Here Ramayana is holy book, sacred book, and it's an epic book. So I have used definite article the here. And here Bible is holy book, sacred book, and it's an epic book. So I have used definite article the here. And here Quran is also the same. I hope you have understood this concept. Here definite article the is also used before the names which are unique of their kind. For example, the definite article is used before the names which are unique of their kind. For example, the sun, the earth, the moon, etc. Let me write an example here. The sun rises in the east. Look at here. Here sun is unique of its kind, and here that's why I have used definite article the here. And also here east is direction. To refer the direction or point out the direction, just I have used definite article the with the direction. We use the west, the south, the north, the east, and to every direction, with every direction we use definite article the here. I hope you have understood this. Here definite article the is also used before the names of aeroplanes, newspapers, ships, well-known buildings. Before the names of aeroplanes, newspapers, ships, well-known buildings, we use definite article the. Let me write some examples here. I visited the Taj Mahal last week. I visited the Taj Mahal last week. Look at here. Taj Mahal is well-known building. Before the name of this well-known building, I have used definite article the here. Let me write one more example. I have subscribed to the Hindu. Look at here. I have subscribed to the Hindu. The Hindu is the name of the newspaper. Before the name of the newspaper, I have used definite article the here. Here, the Jet Airlines or the Taj Mahal, the Vikrant. Before the name of the ship, we use definite article the. Before the name of the aeroplanes, we use definite article the. For example, the airlines or the Jet Airlines or the Kingfisher Airlines or the Vikrant before the name of the ship or the Indian Express before the name of the newspapers. We use definite article the. I hope you have understood this concept. Here, definite article the is also used with superlatives. Definite article the is also used with superlatives. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. He is the oldest man in our locality. Look at here. He is the oldest man in our locality. Here, the oldest. Oldest is superlative. With this superlative, I have used definite article the. Let me write one more example. This is the best book I have ever read. Look at the example here. This is the best book I have ever read. Look at here. Best is superlative. With the superlative, I have used definite article the. I hope you have understood this concept. Here, definite article the is also used with here ordinals. With ordinals. For example, first, second, third, etc. Let me write some examples here. He is the first to arrive. Look at the example here. Before the ordinal first, I have used definite article the here. He is the first to arrive. Let me write one more example. The fourth chapter is very interesting. The fourth chapter is very interesting. Look at here. Before the ordinal fourth, I have used definite article the here. Here, definite article the is also used before name of the musical instruments. Before the names of musical instruments. Before the names of musical instrument. Let me write some examples here. I play the flute. I play the flute. Here, flute is the name of the musical instrument. So, before the name of the musical instrument, I have used definite article the here. Here, definite article the is also used before abbreviated forms of names of countries. Before abbreviated forms of names of countries. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. I visit the USA next week. Look at the example here. USA is an abbreviated forms of names of the country United States of America. Before this abbreviated form, just I have used definite article the here. Let me write one more example. My uncle is in the UK. Look at here. UK is abbreviated forms of the United Kingdom. Here before this abbreviated forms of name, just I have used definite article the here. I hope you have understood this concept. Here definite article the is also used to make the proper noun common. It is used to make the proper noun common. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Look at here. Shakespeare is the proper noun. By using definite article the, just here I make it as common noun. Look at here. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Let me write one more example. Kuvempu is the Tagore of Karnataka. Kuvempu is a Tagore of Karnataka. Look at here. Tagore is the proper name. Before this proper name, I have used definite article the to make it as common noun. Here, definite article the is also used before the proper noun when the proper noun is qualified by adjectives. For example, it is used before the proper noun when it is qualified by adjective. For example, Kalam inspired many youths. The great Kalam inspired many youths. Look at here, the great Kalam. Kalam is proper noun. Here, this proper noun is qualified by the adjective great here. So, when the proper noun is qualified by the adjective, we use definite article the. I hope you have understood the concept definite article, and I hope you have learned to use the definite article according to context. Thank you. Have a nice day.